If you want to invest in a company before it officially starts trading on the stock market, Wealthsimple makes it possible to request shares in select IPOs directly from the app. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy IPO shares on Wealthsimple step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Before you begin, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If you're using an older version, the IPO section may not appear. Once you're in the app, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, look for the upcoming IPO filter and turn it on. This will display all IPOs that are currently available for request through Wealthsimple. Browse through the available IPOs and select the one you're interested in. On the IPO page, you'll be able to see important information such as the expected share price, the IPO timeline, and details about the company itself. Take a few moments to review this information so you understand what you're investing in. When you're ready, tap the request button at the bottom of the screen. Wealthsimple will then show you several reminders and important details about the IPO process. One thing to keep in mind is that requesting shares does not guarantee you'll receive them. Allocation depends on how many shares are available and how much demand there is from investors. Read through the information and tap Next to continue. Now you'll be asked to enter the number of shares you'd like to request. Be sure to double-check the estimated cost before proceeding. Also, if you're requesting shares in a US company, the IPO price will typically be listed in US dollars. So keep exchange rates in mind if you're funding the purchase with Canadian dollars. After entering the number of shares, choose the account you'd like to use for the purchase. This could be a personal account, TFSA, RRSP, or another eligible account depending on your setup. Once you've selected the account, tap Review. If there isn't enough money in that account to cover the estimated purchase amount, Wealthsimple will prompt you to add funds. Select the account you want to transfer money from and tap Next. Enter the amount you'd like to deposit. Make sure it's enough to cover the full estimated cost of the shares you've requested. After entering the amount, tap Next. You'll now see a summary of the transfer. Review the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Submit to complete the deposit. Once the funding step is finished, you'll return to your IPO request. Review all of the information one final time, including the number of shares requested and the account being used. If everything looks correct, tap Submit Request. That's it. Your IPO request has now been submitted. Wealthsimple will notify you if shares are allocated to you once the IPO process is completed. Remember, IPO requests are not guaranteed, so receiving an allocation depends on availability and demand. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.